Welcome to ExitSign250, the YouTube channel dedicated to everything fire safety and electrical. I've always had a passion for fire safety equipment as well as electricity and wiring. I make these videos to express my interest for others to enjoy and so people can learn all about these industries and products. Here, you'll find videos of exit signs and emergency lights. Each video shows different units being tested and talked about in detail, as well as fire alarm videos where I demonstrate fire alarm systems and how they operate, while showing my collection of many devices produced over the years. I constructed 2 boards that hold 4 different systems. I did this for my own enjoyment and so others can see how alarms work on a smaller scale. And electrical content, with videos of electrical devices being wired and installed along with equipment replacement and troubleshooting. But it doesn't end there. You'll also find videos of other passions that I have, like traffic signals, door closers and hardware, fire extinguishers, fire sprinklers, and fire hydrants. That's what ExitSign250 is about. My goal is to make content that both is fun to watch and something you might learn a thing or two from. If you enjoyed anything in this video or want to learn more, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in another video.